Okay, before you saw me shooting the Challenger Pro into the water. This time I'm at an angle on a kind of a ledge. You won't see me, but you will see me hitting that water. That's that red stuff with all that algae in it. And I'm gonna be behind the phone, so you'll hear it also. Give me about 2 seconds. First shot. If he decides to shoot, here we go. I know you see that shit. These are 2740. Nope, change that. These are H&N slugs. I think they're 20. Yeah, they might be still 27. Empty. Wasn't but a few left. All right, that's with the Challenger Pro 25.